Today is day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas, and I have bought something and I've placed it in this very nice Christmas box. It's now open. So these are the things that I bought. I bought 2 things. This is in color rose and this one is in color white. So let's open first this color rose. Yeah, they are the same but different color. This is just an inspired version of the Issey Miyake bag that has these triangles, geometric shapes that you can transform into different shapes. And it comes in this nice black and plastic zippers. The inside is just a plain black wipeable material and does come with a strap in case you want to carry it on your wrist. So this is one of the designs. This is just a plain design, a plain shape, and in case you want to make it into something different, you push this edge and it will give the pouch a different look, different shape. Since it's new, I'm having a hard time pushing it in. Just wait. There. So now it has this bottom shape or bottom base, so it will now look like this, different shape. And then if you try to press more, it will give you another different shape like this one. Yes. Different, wait, a more wide bottom. Push it some more. Like we're playing Rubik's Cube. So nice. So push it a bit more and you have a different shape. Wow, it looks nice. And then make it into something, a smaller pouch or pencil case. I think I have to do this. And now have a smaller pencil case with 2 pockets. It really, this pouch will really give you different shapes. Now it looks like a smaller pencil case. It depends on your imagination and what shape you want to achieve. So this is a very functional piece. You may fold it into a new shape that will depending on your needs. And I'm so happy that I was able to get this on a shop in Shopee, one store in Shopee. And in case you're interested to get the same, I'll just link it below. This is a very functional piece. You can use it in different items, catch-alls, and there again. I think I have done this earlier. So these are the 2 pouches. I have here the white and then I have the pink, and I think I would try to get the other colors as well, since this is not a very, it's not pricey. This is a very cheap piece, and different colors used in different items that we need to use. So this is just a quick video for day 3, and I really hope you do watch the rest of the 12 days of Christmas. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.